grab some fuel real quick. Subway, and we have our Red Bull right here. We're ready to hit the road, guys.
Then take exit 24.
I can't state to you guys how excited I am right now to be getting a exhaust for the SI again, because this thing's just been so quiet, and I need something that, you know, is better for top end. I need something that's a little bit louder, and this exhaust I'm going with, you guys are gonna be like, what? Like, I never thought you were ever gonna choose that. Didn't think I was gonna choose this exhaust either, but I did a ton of research, and I was listening to like 5 different videos with sound clips like 100 times, and I'm like, yeah, you know what? For the price, I'll definitely go pick this up. Why not? Another hour and 45 minutes to go until I hit Concord, New Hampshire, to meet up with a subscriber, also known as a good buddy of mine. Still got the Subway sandwich on the seat. I need to find time to eat this thing because I'm really hungry right now. So I'm currently in Worcester, Mass.
Everything
Actually, so much traffic out for a Saturday, like midday. Getting a little sleepy, so gotta crack open a Red Bull. $5, guys. You cannot beat this. Entered the New Hampshire border. I think I would move to New Hampshire just for these highways. Best highways I have ever seen aside from Florida. Like, there's just straight strips. You can just really get ripping in your car. I literally have 8 minutes until I arrive at the location, guys. I am extremely excited. To the Douglas Everett Arena right now, so I'm looking for my boy. Should be in here somewhere. There he is. All right, so just arrived at the location right now. Got the homie right here with the fresh 8th gen. Look at this box, guys. I just revealed what I'm getting right here, and all of you guys are gonna be shocked because I said I was never gonna go Skunk 2. Here we are with the Skunk 2 exhaust. The best fitment I have ever seen on an SI. Like, this is perfect right here. And then still running the Yonaka Motorsports. Love this thing, dude. It's so clean, so simple, man. So simple. Look at this, dude.
stuck right down in there, dude, just like the Cayenne, sucking in hot air.
Wow.
You can stick your hand in that port down there by the fog light and you can touch the bottom of my filter.
Wow, dude, this is freaking sick, man. I should get a setup like this. This is like a Ram Air. That's what it is, technically.
Pretty close, yeah.
The by far the coolest setup I've seen. A kid cut out his fog, or right here, he cut out a light, and he had the pipe coming through the light. Yeah. So it was literally just sucking in. That's probably the best you could get.
That's the farthest you're gonna
get. Yep. But this is dope, dude. I might have to do something like this. And then you got the battery relocate at the bottom.
Yeah.
That's dope. You got to get the Acuity bushings, dude. Seriously. Everybody says I need a 4-door. Look at that. Fold the seat right down, fit a whole exhaust box in there. That's what's up, man. Let's see, will it close? Oh yeah. FG's, dude. Skunk 2 in the back. Oh my, I can't believe that I have a Skunk 2 exhaust right now. It's crazy. Doesn't feel real. Hopefully it's a super quick ride home. It's almost 5 o'clock right now. I'm gonna try to install this exhaust tonight so that I can have it on there for the weekend, rest of the weekend. Oh yeah. I'm assuming this is like the Concord town pretty much. This is actually really nice, guys. This is my first time up here. STI. Just fueled up one last time. Put $20 in. Not bad. So I have a long ride home, about 2 hours and 30 minutes. The Skunk 2 exhaust is in there, 70 millimeter. I cannot wait to install it on this thing. It's gonna look so sick and sound so good. So I feel like this thing's definitely gonna see an improvement in gains. All right, finally got home. It is about 8:30 right now. About a 2.5, 3 hour drive, and I'm really tired right now, but I want to get this exhaust on ASAP. So I'm most likely gonna do this tonight. Right up front here, I gotta grab my other jack, and then I have 2 jacks. I gotta bring those out here. Jack this thing up, get all the old bolts off, and then we can put this bad boy on. Can we just check this thing out real quick? Dude, look at this piping right here, guys. Oh my God, dude, this is huge. Look at this muffler. Got the silencer in there. Doing this job in the nighttime, I definitely don't recommend it because it's going to be a pain to see, but I want to get this done because they're talking rain tomorrow and I want to deal with that. So we're going to get this done here. Hard to see, but the car is jacked up right now. I got one jack under there and then the other one in the front with a jack stand under the frame. So I'm going to go ahead and just bang this out real quick because it's super late right now. I want to just get this thing done. I'm gonna measure this piping, make sure it's 2 3/4 inch. So let's see what we have here. This whole thing laid out right now looks pretty sick. I can't wait to get this thing on. I think I'm gonna put the muffler on first and then work my way to the front. Muffler out. As you can see, the freaking hardware is all rusted. So I'm just spraying the hell out of it with WD-40 so I don't snap anything off, because that's the last thing I want right now. So this should do the trick right here. All right, muffler is officially off. The stock one here. So here's as she sits from last night. As you guys can see, still got this thing jacked up, got the muffler on. This thing looks pretty sweet. Got the silencer in there. I couldn't finish because I need 2 flange gaskets for the end pieces, and I have to get some newer bolts for the other Skunk 2 pipe because my other ones they're not long enough. So I love the mod life, man. I told myself I was gonna sleep in this morning. It's 7:30 right now, so I didn't get to sleep until 11 last night. So I gotta go to Advanced Auto Parts real quick, and then I need to go to the hardware store to get the bolts. So let's do it. Dude, that thing is freaking slammed. All right, so just getting to the hardware store right now, and what I need to do is these bolts are for the piping for the resonator to the header pipe. So these, when I'm threading them on all the way, are only exposing so much thread, and the thread's not exceeding past the nut, which is not good because that can actually, you know, come loose over time. So I need to get something that's a little bit longer than this right here. So I'm gonna go and see what they have. Plus these things are just rusted. I just got back from the hardware store. I have all my bolts right here, and I'm gonna show you guys what I am talking about under here. So this is the mid pipe pretty much, or the resonator, whatever you want to call it, that connects to the header. And coming over here, this is a new bolt, okay? This is a new bolt. See how much thread is showing past that new bolt? Look at that one, and then look at the other one. There is literally no thread exposed on the other one. So I feel like these are gonna be way better. The piping goes, I still need a gasket for my resonator right here, and also for that flange right there down at the end that connects the muffler onto the resonator. So I have to bring back this piece here. I'm gonna bring this piece here to Advanced Auto Parts. He's gonna match up a gasket for me because obviously he only had OEM Walker ones, which are like 2 1/4 inch, and this is 2 3/4. So I'm hoping he can find me a gasket to use. Also, can we just compare the piping size? Like, look at that. Look at that difference right there. She's all on. I'm not gonna even start it for you guys. I'm gonna make you wait until the next video. So if you guys enjoyed this, give me a like, drop the comments down below, and subscribe for more 8th gen content, guys. I'm so excited to hear how this thing's gonna sound. Woo! Don't forget to do a ECU relearn, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the negative terminal here and just leave it unplugged for like 30 seconds to a minute. And remember, never stop wrenching.